Aman, can you hear me?
Yes, sir, I can hear you.
Okay. Sumaya, can you hear me? Uh, Aman, Aman, there is a lot of voice, background voice we are hearing.
Okay, sir, now there would be no background voice.
Yes. I cannot mute you all guys, all of you guys right now. One by one, I will mute you. Please do not ask me related to the particular question, sir. Please unmute me. Okay. Mariam Nadeem, I have unmuted you. Haris, Hamza Haris, I have unmuted you. Hamza Haris, I have unmuted you. Please. Okay, this is number 10. To stare open mouth. Okay, a word for a phrase. Yes, what would be the answer?
To stare mouth.
Hamza Haris is saying gap. Atika is saying gap. Hajra is saying gap. They all are right. GAPE gap. They all are. Salar Anwar is saying gap. They all are right.
Sir, gape.
GAPE gap. Okay. Uh, Taha Zainul Abidin. Can you hear me, Taha Zainul Abidin? Taha,
Yes,
can
sir,
you?
I can hear you.
You are unmuted right now.
Okay.
Salar, you are also unmuted.
Yes, sir.
Salar, there is a lot of voice, background voice. I have to unmute you again. Please. Salar, please
Yes,
remove that
sir.
voice. Please remove the background voice. We are bothered to hear your background voice. We all are
Okay.
listening to your background voice.
Sir, my mic was muted all the time.
Okay. So only lasting only for a time.
Time lapse.
Sir, transitory. Timetable, sir.
What is?
Time lapse.
Sir, timetable. Timetable.
No timetable. How is it possible? This
Time lapse.
these are the
Sir, same.
anybody else?
Sir, transcend. Sir, transcend.
Laiba Hasib.
Sir, transcend.
Laiba Hasib. Yes, what is
Sir, temporary.
temporary? Okay, it's temporary. It is temporary, okay? So to put off or order.
Postpone.
Okay. postpone. To walk with long. To walk with long. Okay, we will do in chat. Uh, stride. Okay. Anas has tried, is saying has tried, and lots of students is saying. I think all of you is saying stride. Stride is right. Okay, I have seen your chat. Okay, to walk with the long steps it is a stride, and uh, not true or genuine. It is false. Very good. To bite a little at a time. Nibble, not nibble, nibble, and starting from an. Feeling sleepy. Drowsy. Okay. Far away. We can do well in chat. Distant. Okay. A person entertained at another's house. Guest. Very good. It was the remaining exercise which we could not complete due to the shortage of time. Now we are proceeding towards the next exercise. Yesterday we could not complete this one also. Okay. This is not sharing. Can you see? Can you guys see the detective work? Yes. Can you see the detective works? Yes, sir. Okay. Uh, this is the question. You can read it. Okay. Number one vase. We have done it yesterday. Okay. Flower. Number two, envelope. Yesterday we have done it. Letters. Okay. Number three, keg. Yesterday we have done it. Bear. Not beer. Bear. Beer. Okay. Scuttle. Cool. Okay. Compact. It will. It can be lens. Okay. Hassan. Hassan Qadri, you are saying warning for the compact is for the scuttle is coal. 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 Okay. Uh, for for the fifth one, it will be it is possible compact disc as well. Okay. Flagon for the sixth one. Uh, yes, it is related to the liquid material, and it is you can say drink. Okay. We can also say the liquid. Okay, drink. Okay, alcohol. Okay, very good. Wallet. Money. Okay. Wardrobe. Wardrobe. Clothes. Very good. Scabbard. Scabbard. Sword. Okay. 10th one. For the 10th, 11, you people, for the seller, it's ninth one is sword. The 10th one is the bottles. 11th, bath. For bath, water. Good. For punnet, fruits. Okay. Soft fruits like strawberries and raspberries and cherries. Okay. Can anybody tell me Adil Javed is in which class he is studying? Adil Javed, junior 2, B or C? Adil Javed, 2A. Okay, thank you. He's in right now, yes. Okay, slow, SILO, slow. Uh, it is crops, you can say, but it is grains. The most appropriate word is the grain, GRAINS, grains. Okay. Yes, grain, Marihanur. It's right. You are right. Howster, pistol, gun. Okay. Percolator, percolator, coffee. Very good. Attache case, attache case, documents, papers. Okay. Urn, for the 17 one, urn, not head. It's not head, not vase. For the urn is tea and coffee. Okay. Maybe tea or coffee or maybe ashes of the that bodies. Okay. Goblet, wine, maybe you may say drink as well. Drink, very good. Glove, hand. Okay, hands. Turin, there may be a internet issue with the connection issue, that is why the voice is breaking down, and it will be fine after a while. Okay. Soup, very good. Soup, serving dish for food. Very good. Okay, we have done with this exercise as well. 9 and 10. For the 9 is the sword, scabbard, and for 10, cellar is for bottles. Number 15, percolator, coffee. For the percolator is coffee. For 18 and 19, for goblet is drink, and for 19 is gloves. For 12 is fruits, fruits which are very soft. Those are very soft, light, like strawberries and raspberries and cherries. Okay. 3, beer. For the 3, cake. For cake is 344 13 14. Okay, 4 cake. Number 3 is beer. Number 4 is scuttle is call. Number 13, slow, uh, grains. Number 14 is pistol. 9 and 10. 17. I am repeating all the one. Okay. Number 1, for the number 1, flower. For the number 2 is letter. For the number 3 is beer. For the number 4 is coal. I am telling the number. Okay. And just please check your work. For number 5 is disc. It may be disc and it may be lens. For the number 6 is the flagon is liquid. For the number 7 is money. For the number 8 is clothes. For the number 9 is sword. For the number 10 is bottles. For the number 11 is water. For the number 12 is fruits. For the number 13 is grains. For the number 14 is pistol. For the number 15 is coffee. For the number 16 is paper or documents. For the number 17 is tea slash coffee and slash ashes. Okay. For the number 18 is drink. And for the number 19 is hands. For the number 10 is soup. Okay, done. I have repeated all from 1 to 20. Number 10, Hamza. You are asking again and again. It's bottle. Yes. Shall we move forward? Shall we move forward? Uh, for the number 10 is bottles related to the wine. Okay. You may say also scuttle is for the number 4 is coal. Scuttle. For scuttle is coal. Okay. We are moving forward, please. Can you see the work, the exercise related to the disabled? Now can you see see my screen? Disabled. I have shared the screen of disabled. Yes. Very good. Okay, we have done the first one. The first page we have done in our last class. We were discussing the rules of making plural from the singular. We were discussing, we have discussed, I think. I have discussed, okay. There are some indication that if you have S, SH, CH, X, or Z at the ending of the word ends with these letters, so you may put es. Okay, you can add es for making it plural. No. Okay, I will. Okay, for this exercise we I think something is, we will discuss this exercise in tomorrow's class. Okay, and now it cannot be, what is the reason of not sharing this page to you? I will fix it. Okay, look at this page. This is the quiz for you. Can you see it, this page? Can you all see this one? Okay, this is the worksheet for you. You have to complete this. Okay, start doing this exercise. Number one, I think Bob is dash for London this morning, this very moment. Okay, uh, very good. Leaving. I think Bob is leaving for London this very moment. Okay, number two, the plane will take off in a few minutes. Very good. Number three, I dash up at 7 every morning. I get up, okay. I get up at 7 every morning, but this morning I slept and I did what would be in blank? Not. Okay, you have to do this exercise like that, which how you are doing right now. Okay, I will not reveal the answers. Okay, right now it is for your it is just like your quiz. Okay, you have to attempt by your own, and you can have this document in Google Classroom as well. Okay, Rayan, it's too late that you are entering right now. We will discuss the answer, the right answer of this quiz in our next class. We can discuss. Okay, this is the quiz for you all. They are 16 in number. Okay, I want to show you something like your this would be uploaded in the Google Classroom. Okay, uh, I want to share related to your Zoom invitation that some of you guys are not like that. But it is the request to you all, please accept my invitation in your Zoom account. I have sent the invitation in your Zoom account. You can find it in your Gmail ID in the same ID which you have sent me. Okay, please. I think there are number of students. I have. I think there are 25 plus students who did not receive the invitation yet. Please receive the invitation and accept my invitation uh, so that you can be not graduated. Okay. Number 20, page number 23, detective work. Can you repeat page number 23? Okay, first of all, you have to look this uh, worksheet. Na? Look at this worksheet, please. If you want to complete right now, you can complete it. They are 16 in number. Okay. Okay, Duraiya Mubarak. Can you see the screen of the worksheet? Okay. We have discussed till 3. From 4 to 16, you have to do. Please do not share your email, Gmail ID here because I cannot do anything with your ID right now. As I have mentioned, please send me in the group in my WhatsApp number. Okay, please concentrate over the worksheet. Concentrate. Anybody wants to ask anything else, so he or she can ask me. Yes, Hiba, I have seen your accept that you have accepted. But I think you have not sent me your email address. If you have sent me your email address, then then I must have sent you the invitation. For 9, I was hungry that I had. Uh, Sorry, this is for here make. Okay. Yes, very good. I have seen Abia Afzal, your answer. I will not disclose the answer here because it's a sort of a test. You may say I did not get your mail. I predict that by 2020, man will have dash on Mars. Very good, Abhi Afzal. I have seen. Anas, what is your question? Yes, Anna. Ali Gul, very good. This is your right answer. Yes, very good. Answer is right. Detective work, can you repeat page number 23? Anas, you are very much confused about the work which we have completed. You remain confused about the work which we have completed. Page number 23. Okay, I am. Okay, this work will be uploaded in the Google Classroom. Uh, we have a minute only, less than a minute. Anas, I cannot share right now. You may ask me in WhatsApp, okay, about the work. Page number 23. About page number 23, you may ask in the WhatsApp number. Anas, can you hear me?